Hello, my name is Kumar and this is CS50's Introduction to Game Development Assignment number 1. In this is Flappy Bird over here, and specification. So we have to randomize the gap between the pipes, randomize the interval at which pipes spawn, and then we have to give a medal. Then we have to implement a pause feature, so the user can just press P and then the game will just pause. I will just show you some code for doing this first. Up here, higher. Over here, this is randomizing the distance between two pairs of pipes. And then main.lua. These are just the medals. Pictures, and then this is the gap height, which is randomizing the gap height from 80 to 110. It just felt good. Then I'm checking if scrolling is equal to true, and then I'm doing all of this. Okay, I'm doing all of this till here, and I'm checking if P has been pressed. Then scrolling becomes pause. That means I'm going to pause the game. Then I pause the music and then I play the pause sound. And else, meaning if scrolling is equal to false, that is, if the game is paused, I'm checking if the player has pressed P, and then I'm making scrolling equal to true. So if P is pressed, then scrolling will become true. That means all of this will happen, and I play the music. Now that we've got that out of the way, let me just run this. First thing to notice is that the gap between two pairs of pipes is randomized and the gap height is also randomized. Number 2, I am giving a medal here to myself, and then the last and final feature that we had discussed that I've seen in the specification was the pause feature. So you heard the doom, that was the pause sound, and here's the pause icon, and I'm asking him to press P to continue. So if I just press P, everything goes back to normal. My name is Kumar and this is GD50.